Hey everybody, this is Miss Miranda. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Zoom, which is what we're going to be using for classes for the next week or so, or however long we need to use it. What you'll do is every day Miss Donnell will send out an email, and next to the teacher's name they will have a link that looks something like this. So you will click on the link that goes with your teacher. Once you click on the link, this box will pop up. It asks you if you want to open Zoom. Make sure you hit open Zoom. All right, once you're here, if you're on your phone or if you're on your computer, either one, you want to make sure you hit join with whatever audio it is that you're using. Okay, and then the next thing that you want to make sure you hit is down here at the bottom where it says start video. That way your teacher can see you and see that you are logged in. Something your teacher might ask you to do during your class is to come down here and hit this mute button down here in the corner. And that's just so none of the background noise at your house or anything is kicking in. And then she can just make sure that only you are hearing what she is needing you to do. Okay, other than that, you will just listen to your teacher's instructions once you are in. When the class is over or time's up, you just go down here to the bottom and hit leave meeting, and then that really should be all you have to do. If you have any other questions, just let us know.